Hi, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air. Let's talk about pipe repair, what it actually involves, and why in Miami it's often more than what it looks. A leaking or burst pipe seems simple. Fix the spot that's leaking. And sometimes it is. But here's what we see in Miami homes constantly. The leak you found is just a symptom. It's not the root cause. A lot of houses here still have the original galvanized steel or copper, and once a section corrodes and fails, the rest of that run usually isn't far behind. Patch one spot and you can be back in the wall 3 months later. So when we come out and fix the immediate problem fast, because it's the one place that's visible, we also tell you the truth about the pipe and its attached to. If it's a one-off, great, we button it up and you're done. If we're looking at a system that's failing, that's going to keep failing, you deserve to know before you sink money into patch after patch. We offer flat rate pricing. Our pricing is upfront. We're a licensed Florida plumbing company. Our license is CFC 1433-145. If you got a leaking or broken pipe, give us a call.